Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Y6P, and today I'll show you a couple of tweaks and tricks that I can do on this device. So, starting off, we're going to begin with a 3-finger split screen, which all you need to do is slide up 3 fingers on the screen to open up split screen. Now we need to first open up actually an app that we can split screen with, so there we go, there's browser, slide up, there we go. And from there you have apps right here. You can also tap on home button and this will take you home, or you can tap on any kind of app from here to split screen with, like so. So that is the first thing. Now to leave this, all you really need to do is just slide one to be full screen and go home. Then from there we're going to go into the dark mode, which allows you to turn everything on your device into dark. So flip the switch over here. Automatically switches, as you can see, and then as you can see, your notification panel is in dark mode. Default apps like phone, messages is also going to be in dark mode. Browser, settings, as you can see, everything like that. Now, not every app will be supported by this, so keep that in mind. Majority of the apps that you might install probably will not be, but anything that can preload it should. Let me just disable it for now. I believe on the camera it just looks better in white. Then the next thing we're going to go into is the EBook Reader mode, which turns the display kind of almost black and white with a yellowish tint to it. So to enable it, let's go into display and then EBook mode right here. Enable this and you can see it turns it basically black and, well, gray, I would say, with a yellow tint to it. And yeah, so it probably will look better for reading. It won't look so obnoxiously bright when you're reading a book and you have white background behind it, so this is a little bit better in my opinion. Then moving on, it's going to be the home screen style. So as you've probably already seen, the default one is the iPhone-ish look like, where you have all the apps smack in the middle of your home screen on pages. So to get this changed and have actual app drawer like a normal Android user, you want to go into settings and then home screen and wallpaper, home screen style, and change it from standard to drawer. Give it a moment, it will reboot. There we go. And now you have a drawer. It also removes the couple of folders or whatever it was right here. And all you need to do is slide up and you get the app drawer, as you can see. So you could get rid of all the icons on your home screen if you wanted to. And the last thing that I'm going to show is the gesture navigation, which just allows you to get rid of the outdated buttons on the bottom and substitute them for something a little bit more mainstream. So let's go again into the settings and then system and update and system navigation, where you'll have the gestures right here. To start, we need to go for the first time through a tutorial how to use it. So slide from left or right to go back, then slide up quickly to go home, and slide and hold to go to recent. There we go. So you can see right now it works just fine. And when you're in the apps, all you need to do is slide. So that would conclude all the tweaks and tricks that I want to share. And if you found them helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.